Good morning, my friends, and welcome to another episode of Glam MC. I'm so happy that you guys are here. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing another get ready with me, and we're going to start with primer. I'm going to use a primer that has a little bit of moisturizer and primer at the same time. So this one is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. And I did not moisturize this morning. I just toned my skin with rose water and cleaned it. So this is perfect so that my face gets the hydration that it needs. The foundation that I'm going to be using is the Colourpop foundation, and it is hydrating. So at the end of the day, I get really oily, but I think if I make sure that my face is moisturized, it helps so that it doesn't get as oily, if that makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one and see at the end of the day if it helps a little bit with the oiliness in my face. So I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Foundation in the shade Medium 90. I feel like the golden undertones is better for me than the peachy undertones. On camera, you can try to color match yourself with lighting, but once you go outside, you can actually see the difference in the undertones on your face and on your neck. Sometimes it's not as easy with camera lights. So I did see that the light peachy undertone did not match me as well. So the medium 90 matched me better. This foundation is only $12, so it's very affordable. And the brand Colourpop in the whole, I don't think I've found anything that I hated from that brand. Everything that they create is like really beautiful and works great. So it's affordable and it works really nice. So I would highly recommend, if you haven't tried Colourpop, to try it out. It's now at Ulta, and it has a website, colourpop.com. You want to check it out. Even though, like, for the past 2 days, ever since I've been seeing the reviews for this foundation, the website has been down. I don't know. I guess a lot of people are going through the website, and I can't really get through. So that's unfortunate. I don't know about today, but I tried for the past 2 days. I even sent them a ticket to see why I can't get through. Today I'm going to be using my RCMA No Color Powder to powder my skin and make sure that everything's all set. So I'm going to use that. No, I should probably put concealer first. I'm trying the RCMA powder with the damp beauty sponge to see if that helps at all with the oiliness at the end of the day, and we'll see what happens. Okay, this is with me blotting throughout the day. This is what it looks like. It's not as bad as the first time, but it's a lot better. And that is the wear test for today. This is my third time using the foundation. Yesterday was a little bit better at the end of the day because I was powdering throughout the day, so it looked better than the first day that I did not powder at all throughout the day, and I had a lot of oiliness at the end of the day. It could have been also clogged pores, or that I didn't moisturize that first day. So I like to give the foundation a little bit of time using different things to see if it works for me. So let's see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some powders to contour, and for contour I'm going to be using my Making Faces beauty book by Kevin Aquan, and chapter 1 has my favorite contour. This is my favorite contour. It's called Sculpt Medium. I'm going from the top of my ear down towards my mouth in the hollows of my cheeks to contour my cheeks. A little bit on my forehead and right alongside of my hairline, my jawline. Under my chin. I'm going to use my crown brush to bronze my skin. So I try to go over the contour and a little bit above it to bronze my skin. Make sure that it's blended and that it's not too much and too harsh. So I go over the contour on my forehead with the bronzer to bronze my skin and to diffuse that contour a little bit so it's not too harsh. I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer on the sides of my nose. Real her. I kind of missed this one. I just want to use something different. I'm going to be using the peachy. The peachy color is really pretty. Love it. Love it. Right, and for highlight, I'm going to be using the Olive Mode from, it's called Benevolent from Unique. I'm going to use my Wayne Goss brush. This is the 10. And I'm just going to put that right above the blush. Putting that in a C motion from my brow bone down to my cheek area. A little bit on my nose. Cupid's bow. I'm going to set a little bit with MAC Fix Plus now. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go into my single shadows because I haven't used them in a while and I need to. And for the transition shade, I'm going to use the Orange Soda from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the single. I'm going to put that all over the lid. And I wanted to say something. I know this is a little bit random, but I'm here thinking about things that are going on. And I want to say to anybody that's watching, be kind to people because you have no idea what they're going through. Even if somebody's being rude or mean, if they're being grumpy and stuff like that, just be kind to them anyway. You know why? Because maybe they're going through something that's, if it were happening to you, you would probably be a wreck. You know what I mean? So people handle things differently. So try to be nice to people, even though they may not be too nice to you. Because everybody's going through something, so just try to be nice. And that's all I'm gonna say because I feel like it needs to be said. Anyway, alright, so now that I have Orange Soda on my lid, I want to go, I love green eyeshadow and I kind of want to do a green look. I'm going to go ahead and use a small blending brush. This is the SL Miss Glam T35 Precise Blending. And I'm going to go over the bottom of my lid with this green color right here. This is from the Christiana and this is called Clotho. Clotho. And I'm putting that all over my bottom lid. Oh no. Thank God. Alright. I'm taking a flat shader brush and putting Clotho on by packing it, because I just got a lot of fallout on that. By using the blending brush to pack on, it's a little bit better than using the blending brush because things just tend to fall out. So just pack it on and then blend it after. I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Fix Plus for this one because I want it to be as vibrant as possible and as pigmented as possible. Even though it is pigment right now, but I think I want it a little bit more. And I try to always go a little bit above my hooded eye because when I open my eye, it hits that area in the top as well, right above it. And so sometimes the shadow transfers up there. So I might as well just apply it there to begin with. So if there's transfer, there's already green on top. If that makes sense. I hate when people say if that makes sense and I just said it. All right, now I'm gonna wet my brush now that I put some on. I'm gonna try to intensify the pigmentation. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the lighter green, which is this one. It's called Gaia. Gia or Gaia, one of the two. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Let's see. I'm going to take Gaia or Gia. Let's see. Putting that on the lid in the center of the green. What I want to do is take a little bit of a golden shimmer. I'm going to try this one. I'm going to use this one. This one is Lachesis. And I'm going to put that right above and on the line where the green is to intensify and to create like kind of a gradient effect from green to brown and then to the peachy color that I like, the orange soda that I put on the transition. I'm using a very small brush for this because I want to be as precise as possible. I don't want the brown to be everywhere, just right above that green. I think that looks nice. This one is called Gem from Anastasia, is it? Yeah, Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a little bit shimmery. I'm gonna use that on a flat liner brush. And I'm gonna put that at the top. It's kind of nude. It has like a nude type of sheen to it. And I think that is really nice. It has a little bit of shimmer, but not too much. Very faint. For my inner corner highlight, this is the a la mode Benevolent, and I need a small brush for this. This is a Real Techniques little tiny brush, perfect for inner corner highlight. This one is called Detail Brush. And for lips, I feel like using this one. This is a Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. This is Moonchild, and I really enjoy this shade. And a little tiny flecks of gold, they're very pretty. Love it. All right. Okay, so I usually go from the back and just slide it forward, like sideways, so that it gives a complete line, and then I just fill in the gaps on the bottom, and then little by little I inch a little tiny bit here, section by section. I go a little bit at a time to connect it. And that is how I do the eyeliner. You know what? I'm gonna try a new one. I'm gonna use Flower Beauty. See what it looks like. Twist 3 in 1. This is cool. It has a, you can twist it and you can do lengthening, curling, or volumizing. I want volumizing, so I'm gonna click it to 3. So one. All right, it doesn't click. Okay, now it clicked. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna use the Sephoa black crayon contour, waterproof. All right, so that is the Zoom In Ultimate Mascara from Flower Beauty. It did volumize. That's really nice, especially the lower lash lines. They're really nice and thick. I feel like you have to go over it a lot so that the bristles hit the lashes a lot, so it's a little bit hard to work with, but it worked. It looks really nice. So that is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.